you guys? Kumusta? Kumusta? How are you? Okay? Is that your daughter? What's her name? Huh? What's the name? The name? Pangalan? Carlo? Oh, that's a boy? A boy? How are you, Eric? Kumusta? You okay? June. How are you? I'm going on low bet. Hello, Rochalyn. How are you?
The change, the 50.
Okay.
The rice will papo.
Here, take that 50. Papo's coming with the rice. Bugas. Ah. Ba. 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 Hello, Ronalyn. No, I'm doing a movie. Hello, Clarissa. How are you? Okay. You can just put it there. It's okay there. Hello, Angelica, right? Angelica? Oh, you know what? Is Jonah and Juvie over there? Are they there? Jonah and Juvie? You don't know?